This is wedding party style chicken roast I made. Please see the whole video, then you can see how can I made it. Happy New Year to all of you. Welcome back to the channel Rani's Pakshala and more. For New Year, I'm going to make chicken dry roast. For that, obviously I need chicken pieces. Here is almost 2 kilos of chicken. And here I have all ingredients. I will show you closely. Let's start. For making chicken roast, I need finely chopped tomato, lemon, chopped onion, fried onion, ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of milk powder, some Garam Masala powder. I cover it because otherwise the smell will gone. Here is some whole Garam Masala, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, and some pepper, salt to taste. Here is Poppyseed paste and cashew nut paste, yogurt, some sugar, Kashmiri red chili powder, cumin powder and coriander powder, and red chili powder, turmeric powder, and here is some food color, yellow food color and red food color. This is optional. Oil, butter. If you don't want, you can make only with the oil. And here is green chilies, some bay leaves. Now I will start the cooking, but before cooking I have to marinate chicken pieces with lemon juice and little bit of salt and chili powder. I dried the chicken pieces with the kitchen pepper. Now putting lemon juice, salt, chili powder, mix well with the all pieces. I'm done with mixing. Rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Put oil and some butter. Now I'm going to fry the chicken pieces. I will cover this. Now I'm turning the chicken pieces. Cover it again. Nicely golden brown. Then I will take it out. All the chicken pieces is fried. Now I will make the gravy. If need, put some butter or oil. If you put butter, then you get the good smell. Tejpata, garam masala and onion. Some salt. Then onion will cook first. Cook with lid on 1 minute. After 1 minute, add ginger garlic paste and cook until the raw smell is gone. Turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander and cumin powder, Kashmiri red chili powder for nice color, little bit water, mix well, cook for few times. Masala is cooked. Now I will put other ingredients. Now I am putting beaten yogurt. Before putting yogurt, you have to reduce the flame. Mix well. Add cashew nut and poppyseed paste. Mix well. Add chopped tomatoes. After adding tomatoes, I cook with the low medium heat 1 minute. Fried onion. Mix well. Adding little bit more water. Remaining salt and little bit of sugar. If you don't want, skip it. And about the salt, you have to be careful because in the chicken we have already salt. Now I am adding powder milk. Now I am taking little bit of gravy from here because I am putting top of the chicken. In the food color, I will put little bit water and mix it. And I will put the color on chicken pieces. Food color is only for looking. You can skip it if you don't like. Put the chicken pieces on the gravy. Adding green chili. Now I am adding the gravy which I separated on top of the chicken. I'm putting little bit of water on this bowl and this water I will put on the chicken. Cook in low medium heat with the lid on until chicken is done and gravy is more thicker. My chicken roast is done. I'm putting now garam masala, the final touch. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and like the video, and if possible then share with your friend and family and do the comment on the comment section. Thank you very much for watching my video. I will come back. Happy New Year's to all of you again. Cover it after garam masala. Wedding party style chicken roast is ready. Hopefully all of you like it. Thank you very much for watching.